Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an Evap canister purge valve on a late model F150 equipped with a 5.0. Now, I do believe that this particular style of Evap canister purge valve began to be used on the 5.0 F150 starting in about 2018, and I believe that they're still using this on the 5.0 present day, which is 2022. So the valve lives right here on top of the intake manifold, and it may help a bit to find a good, sturdy, stable stool to stand on while you're doing this. Be sure you get a really good stool that does not wobble and won't slip out from underneath you, because that does happen. It happened to me. So be careful when you do this. And of course, the engine has to be off while you're doing this. I would make sure it's off and nice and cool before you start this, and it would help to disconnect the negative battery clamp on the battery, just in case. Starting at the purge valve, unlock the connector by sliding the white tang backwards, then squeeze together, pull back on the connector and release. Separate the lines from the purge valve line as shown here. Unlock the lock on the purge valve line as shown. This is just behind the throttle body, by the way. Pull up on the line, releasing it from the nipple. Unlock the lock on the vapor line going to the purge valve as shown. Release it from the nipple. Pull up on the purge valve. And that completes the removal process for the purge valve. Installation is reverse procedure. Notice the slit in the new valve. That slit receives this blade right here in the top of the intake manifold. Slide the purge valve onto the blade on the intake manifold. Reconnect your vapor line. Push it on real good. Make sure it's over the rib. Push down the lock. Reconnect your electrical connector. Push back in the white lock on the connector. Reconnect your two lines to the Evap canister purge line. Reconnect the Evap canister purge line to the intake manifold behind the throttle body. Lock the lock. Give it a tug, make sure it's secure. Well, folks, that is it. As always, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. I may need to clarify some things. That's where I do that. In the description, you'll also find a link to another video that I did on how to test for a stuck open Evap purge valve. Take a look at that. That can be very helpful in your diagnostic process. And as more videos become available that pertain to this particular system or this particular component, I'll post those down in the description as well. As always, please read the disclaimer at the very end of the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.